What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? It's Aaron down here with Sherwood Dodge. Today I got something really cool for you guys. It's a brand new 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee limited 80th anniversary edition. You can tell it's an 80th anniversary edition because you do have a granite matte trim and badging all the way around the vehicle. Now, the cool thing about this vehicle is it does come with LED headlights. Moving to the side here, you do see that you have your 20-inch rims there. And on the driver's side of the mirror, in your heated mirror, you do have your blind spot detection there, which goes back with your trailer, and I will show you that later. You have keyless entry, making our way to the inside. You got full leather on the inside, heated seats and cooled seats as well with a heated steering wheel. You got your full load here, so you have all your safety features, including your forward front collision, adaptive cruise control, self-park, and all that jazz with your 8.4-inch touchscreen display with your Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. This vehicle also comes with a panoramic sunroof. Making our way to the back, you do have heated seats in the rear for the kids in the winter, and this vehicle is 4x4, so this will have no problem going through the slushy snow here that we get in Alberta. Making our way to the back. Remember that trailer I was talking about? This vehicle does come with your hitch and wire here, and this vehicle can tow up to 6,200 pounds with a V6. And you do have your rear view backup camera here. Making our way to the inside, you do have a hands-free liftgate. You also have your premium audio sound system with your 8-inch subwoofer here and your spare tire underneath. Now, if you guys have any questions about this beautiful Grand Cherokee, please give me a call at 780-729-5517. Thank you for your guys' time today, and I look forward to speaking with you all soon.